Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about how to multiplication of two matrices. Today also discuss about multiplication of two matrices and also to calculate transfers of the matrices. Now we are going to see our first question, very important for the 6 marks question. Read the question. If capital A is equal to 3 minus 6, 4 minus 3, given A matrix and B matrix. To verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Verify that to calculate LHS part and RHS part. So we have to show that LHS is equal to RHS or else LHS not equal to RHS. So now we are going to solution. First, what is the given? You can write. Let capital A is equal to given matrix 3 minus 6, 4, minus 2. After that, take transpose of the A is equal to, what is the transpose of the matrix? Interchanging rows and columns. That's why in the A matrix we are taking transpose of the matrix same is interchanging rows and columns. First one interchanging, first column is first one replaced with the first column, second row replaced with the second column. We get the matrix is A transpose is equal to 3, 4, minus 6, minus 2. Next to and B. On capital B is equal to given matrix is 6 minus 1 minus 4 3. Implies transpose of the B matrix is equal to interchanging rows and columns. First row interchanging first column. So first row replaced with the first column. Second row replaced with the second column. See the question. What is asking? Verify that AB whole transpose. First to calculate product of A and B matrices. After that to calculate transpose of the AB. First to calculate AB. First to calculate AB. Substitute the matrices. A matrices is 3 minus 6, 4 minus 2. Then substitute B matrix is 6 minus 1 minus 4 3. Now write the order of the matrix. A is the order of the matrix is 2. B also order of the matrix is 2. Number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. So product is possibility. Finally we get the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Finally we get the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Means 2 rows and 2 columns. So what is the order of the matrix we are getting? 2 by 2 matrix. What is the position of the element is first row, first one. That's why we are taking first row, first column. We are taking first row, first one product. Take from first row in the matrix here, take column from second matrix. Product with the row and columns here. 3 to 6, 18. 3 6 are 18. After that take positive symbol. Minus 6 into minus 4 is plus 24. You understood this point? Now product with from first one, because of the position of the element is first row, first column. That's why you product with the first one, first column. 3 6 are 18. After that take a positive plus symbol. So minus 6 into minus 4 is plus 24. After that, what is the position of the element? First row, second column. That's why you are taking first row, second column. That's why 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus minus 6 into 3 is minus 18. You understood? First row into first column product, first row into second column. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. After that take positive symbol. Minus 6 into 3 is minus 18. After that, what is the position of the element here? Second row, first. That's why second row, first column. Product with from first row in the matrix here. Product with the second column in the matrix. That's why 4 into 6 is 24. 4 into 6 is 24. Minus 2 into minus 4 value is 8. Second row product, second row, first column. 4 into 6 is 24. After that take plus. Minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. After that, what is the position of the element? This one, second row, second column. That's why second row, second column. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Now simplify this values. 18 plus 24 value is 42. Minus 3 minus 8 value is minus 41. 24 plus 8 value is 32. And minus 4 minus 6 value is minus 10. That is the AB value. Everyone understood how to product of the two elements means? We can check it. Both are product is possible or not. How to check means number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. That's why product is possibility. After product of the two matrices, we get the order of matrices 2 by 2. That's why 2 by 2. That's why how many rows and how many columns possibility? 2 rows and 2 columns possibility. Position of the first element is first row, first column. First column take from first matrix. First column take from second matrix. Next, this one is first column, second, not first column. That is second row, first second column. Not that one. This is first row, second column. So now take from first column in the matrix A. Take first row take from matrix A. Take second column in the matrix B. That's why first row, first column, first row, second column. Next, second row, first column, second row, second column. We have to simplify when we get the values 42 minus 21, 32 minus 7. What is the left hand side we are given? To calculate AB whole transpose. To calculate AB whole transpose. We are taking LHS for to calculate AB whole transpose. Means transpose of the matrices to calculate to find that interchanging rows and columns are. Transpose of the AB. What are the product of two matrices are getting? To calculate transpose of the AB. Transpose of the matrix means interchanging rows and columns. So first row replace with first column. So now first row is nothing but here 42 minus replace with the first column 42 minus 41. Next one. Second row interchanging second column. So second row is 32 minus 10 interchanging. So now transpose of the AB means interchanging the rows and columns. 42 minus 21 is the row interchanging the first column. 32 minus 10. 32 minus 10 is the second interchanging second column. Next to calculate B transpose A transpose. That is nothing but right hand side value. So now B transpose A transpose. Substitute the matrices. What is the B transpose value is 6 minus 4 minus 1 3. Next substitute A transpose is 3 4 minus 6 minus 2. So this is also order of the matrix 2 by 2. This one also order of the 2 by 2. So number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second. Both are equal. We get the order of the matrices. So we are getting order of the 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. We are product with the first row, first column. 6 into 3 is 18. Plus minus 4 into minus 6 is plus 24. Next. This position of the element is first row, second column. So same row, not second column. 6 into 4 is 24. Plus minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 6. Next, second row, first column. Minus 1 into is 3 is minus 3. Plus 3 into minus 6 is minus 18. Next, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now simplify the values. 18 plus 24 value is 42. 24 plus 8 value is 32. Minus 3 minus 18 value is minus 21. Minus 4 minus 6 value is minus 10. Observe both are LHS and RHS. Both the matrix element value must should be same. Here AB whole transpose 42 32 minus 21 10. So right hand side value also B transpose A transpose value also same. That's the right conclusion. LHS is equal to RHS. And LHS property is AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Everyone understood how to solve the given questions? They are asking verify that both are equal or not. We have to verify. So after that verifying both are equal, we are proving. Okay. First to calculate AB. What are the getting matters to calculate transpose of the AB? Next to calculate right hand side B transpose A transpose. Product of the two matrices. After that, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Everyone understood how to solve the given equations? Next, we are going to second problem. Don't confuse, I am explaining step by step. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the WhatsApp group. So very easy this questions. Product. See the second question. If capital A is equal to capital A is equal to 213754. 213754. Next, capital B is equal to 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 3 1, 4 minus 2 5, 4 minus 2 5. Verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose. The given 2 minus A matrix and B matrix. To prove that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Both we can calculate of that. Both are equal or not. We have to prove that. So first one, solution is given matrix is correct, right? Given capital A matrix is equal to 2 1 3 7 5 4. Write the transpose of the A matrix is equal to interchanging rows and column. First row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column, third row interchanging third column, because of interchanging the rows and column. So row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column, third row interchanging third column. Next B on capital B is equal to 2 minus 3 1, 4 minus 2 5. So write the transpose of the B matrix is equal to first row interchanging first column 2 minus 3 1, because of first row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column, 4 minus 2 5. This is A transpose and B matrix. First to calculate AB matrix. So now AB is equal to substitute A matrix and B matrix. A matrix is 2 1 3 7 5 4. What is order of the matrix? 3 rows and 2 columns. Next, substitute B matrix. 2 minus 3 1, 4 minus 2 5. What is order of the matrix? 2 by 3. So number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. Product is possible. Finally, we get the order of the matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. We get the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. First row, first column. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 4 is 2. Next, first row, second column. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Next, third column. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 5 is 5. Because of they are getting 3 rows, 3 columns. This is not the limit is first row, first column. That's why first row, first column. This is first row, second column. That's why first row, second column. This position of the element is first row, third column. Next, second row, first column. That's why 3 7 ja, not 3 7 ja, 3 2 ja 6 plus 7 4 ja 28. Second row, second column. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 plus 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. This is second row, third column. Second row, third column is 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7 into 5 is 35. Next, third row, first column. Third row, first column. 5 into 2, 10 plus 4 into 4 is 16. Next, third row, second column. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 plus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Next, third row, third column. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 4 into 5 is 28. After that, simplify the given matrix. Simplify this one. 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 28 is 34. Minus 9 minus 14. So minus 23. 3 plus 35 is 38. 10 plus 16 is 26. Minus 15 minus 8 is minus 23. 5 plus 21 is 25. This is the AB matrix. After that, to calculate left hand side. To calculate LHS. What is LHS they are given? AB whole transpose. What is the AB matrix we are getting? AB matrix is 8 minus 8 7, 34 minus 23 38, 26 minus 3 25. Transpose of the AB matrix we can interchange in the rows and columns. That's why first interchanging first column is 8 minus 8 7. Next second row interchanging second side 34 minus 23 and 38. Third row interchanging third column. There third row is 26 minus 23 and 25. We are interchanging the rows and columns. So product of the AB matrix is what is the value we are getting? Right? Interchanging the rows and columns. LHS now you got. Next to calculate RHS. Next is what is RHS? B transpose A transpose. Substitute the B transpose matrix and A transpose matrix. What is the B transpose matrix? 2 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 5. This is out of the matrix is 3 by 2 because of 3 rows. To combination of two, A matrix is 2 3 5 1 7 4. What is out of the matrix is 2 by 3. So both are equal. Product is positive. Finally we get the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. We get the order of the matrix 3 rows 3 equal. Now first row first column product 2 2 is 4. Take after plus 4 into 1 is 4. Next 2 into 3 6 plus 4 into 7 is 48. Next first row third column 2 into 5 is 10 plus 4 into 4 is 16. So first row first column, first row second column, first row third column is 1. Next we are going to second row. Second row first column minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Next second row second column minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus minus 2 into 7 is minus 14. Second row third column minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 plus minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Next third row first column 1 into 2 is 2 plus 5 into 1 is 5. Next third row second column 1 into 3 is 3 plus 5 into 7 value is 35. Third row third column 1 into 5 is 5 5 into 4 value is 20. This is the order of the matrix 3 by 3. Because of 3 by 3 matrix we are getting, thus we are taking 3 by 3. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column we are product with each. Second row second row first column, second row second column product with second row third column you are producting. This one third row first column, third row second column, third row first column. Now we have to simplify. B transpose A transpose is equal 4 plus 4 value is 8, 6 plus 20 value is 34, 10 plus 16 value is 26, 2 plus 5 value is 7, not 7, this is minus 6 minus 2 value is minus 8, minus 9 minus 14 value is minus 23, minus 5 minus 8 value is minus 23. Next one is 2 plus 5 value is 7, 3 plus 35 value is 38, 5 plus 20 is 25. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Check both are equal or not? Both are equal. That's why I cut closer. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is AB volt transpose is equal to B transpose A. This is the everyone understood? How to solving these questions? First to calculate AB matrices. After what are the getting AB matrix to calculate transpose of the AB matrix. After that to calculate product of the B transpose and A transpose. After that we have to check both are equal or not. So observe both LHS and RHS. LHS matrix and RHS matrix both are equal. That's why you have to write in conclusion LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is nothing but AB volt transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Everyone understood how to solve the questions? Very important this type of question. Next we are going to solve problem. Very easy, don't confusion. What are they given? That's why we have to do that. Okay. First, what they are asking, verify that AB volt transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. First to calculate AB, after that to calculate AB volt transpose. That is LHS. But after that to calculate RHS value. What is RHS value? B transpose and A transpose. That's why you have to calculate B transpose and A transpose. After that, both our matrices are equal. We have to write conclusion LHS is equal to R. See the question, very very important this question. If capital A is equal to 3 1 4 2 and B matrix is 2 minus 1 3 1 and capital C matrix is 2 3 4 1, to verify that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus S. You have to check both are equal or not. First you have to calculate B plus C matrix. What are the getting B plus C matrix product with A matrix? That is the LHS part. Next to calculate LHS part is first to calculate AB matrix. Next to calculate AC matrix. What are the getting both matrices? We have to add the both matrices. So now we are going to solution. Let capital A is equal to 3 1 4 2 and capital B is equal to 2 minus 1 3 1 and capital C is equal to 2 3 4 1. So one by one we are calculating. First to calculate B plus C. So first we are calculating B plus C. So now substitute the B matrix is 2 minus 1 3 1 plus substitute C matrix is 2 3 4 1. So after we can add in the corresponding elements 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. We are adding corresponding element because of sum of the two matrices. 3 plus 4. Next is 1 plus 1. So that is B plus C matrix. So B plus C is equal to, simplify these elements. 2 plus 2 value is 4. Minus 1 plus 3 value is 2. 3 plus 4 value is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get the B plus C matrix. What is LHS? To product with A matrix into B plus. Now we are taking LHS part. What is LHS? A into B plus C. That's why now first substitute A matrix, after substitute B plus C matrix. Now what is A matrix? 3 1 4 2. This is order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Substitute B plus C matrix is 4 2 7 2. Substitute this one. What is the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Number of terms is both are same. What is the order of the matrix? We are getting 2 by 2 matrix. Now first row first column 3 into 4. First row first column 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1 into 7 is 7. Next first row second column 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 into 2 is 2. Next we are going to the second row first column. Second row first column 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 7 ja 14. Next second row second column 4 2 ja 8 plus 4 2 is 8 plus 2 2 ja 4. Now we have to simplify these values. 12 plus 7 is 19. 6 plus 2 value is 8. 16 plus 14 value is 30. 8 plus 4 value is 12. This is A into B plus C matrix. What are they getting? A into B plus matrix is 19, 8, 30. Well, next to calculate RHS part. First to calculate AB. First to calculate AB. That's why we are simplifying. AB is equal to A matrix is 3 1 4 2. Next B matrix is 2 minus 1 3 1. So this one also order of the matrix is 2 by 2. This one also order of the matrix is 2 to be cancelled. We get the order of the matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. First row first column 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 into 3 is 3. Next row first row third column 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next now we are going to second row first column 4 2 is 8 plus 2 3 is 6. Next we are going to second row second column 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Simplify this value. 6 plus 3 value is 9. Minus 3 plus 1 value is minus 2. 8 plus 6 value is 14. Minus 4 plus 2 value is 2. That is AB value. Next to calculate AC matrix. Product of the A matrix and the C. Substitute A matrix is 3 1 4 2. This order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Substitute C matrix. C matrix is 2 3 4 1. This one also one of the matrices 2 by 2. Both the number of columns is equal to number of rows. Both are equal. Finally, we get order of the matrix is 2 by 2. First row, first column. First row product with first column. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 into 4 is 4. Next second column. First row, second column. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next we are going to second row. First column. 4 2 is 8 plus 2 4 is 8. 4 2 is 8 plus 2 4 is 8. Next second row, second column. 4 3 is 12 plus 2 1 is 2. Simplify these values. 6 plus 4 value is 10. 9 plus 1 value is 10. 8 plus 8 value is 16. 12 plus 2 value is 14. This is AB matrix and this is AC matrix. After that, to calculate AB plus AC. Take RHS to simplify AB plus AC. What are the getting matrix here? So what is the AB matrix you are getting? 9 minus 2, 14, 2 plus AC matrix is 10, 10, 16, 14. Now we are adding corresponding elements. First element plus first 9 plus 10 minus 2 plus 10 14 plus 16 2 plus 14 2 plus 14 is equal to 9 plus 10 value is 19 minus 2 plus 10 value is 8 14 plus 16 value is 30 and 2 plus 14 value is 60. This is AB plus AC. Observe LHS and RHS. LHS what value is 19, 8, 13, 12. So 4 2 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Okay, 13, 12, and 19, 8, 13, 6. So anything here mistake will be there? Let's check it. 4 into 3, 12, plus 2 into 1 is 2. That is 14, right? Next one is 3 2 just only thing is 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 plus 2 into 2. So minus 4 plus 2 value is minus 2. That is, you can take minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 14 value is plus 1. Now it's correct. So now LHS part and RHS part both are equal. Right conclusion is LHS is equal to RHS. LHS part value is A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So finally both LHS and RHS both are equal. So listen carefully. There is given ABC matrix. To verify that LHS is equal to RHS both are equal or not, we have to verify. First to calculate B plus C matrix. What are the getting matrix product with the that is LHS. For B plus C matrix, the getting value is 4 2 7. After that to calculate A into B plus. Substitute A matrix. After that substitute B plus. After that product the both the two matrices we are getting answer is 19 8 13 12. Next, right, RHS is the first to calculate AB. After that to calculate AC. What are the getting AB matrix and AC matrix? To adding the sum of the two matrices. We getting answer is 19 8 13 12. So LHS and RHS observe both are equal. That's why we are writing LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is nothing but A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. You have understood how to proving the given process. Don't confusion. First we have to calculate B plus C. After that, what are the getting matrix? We have to product with A matrix. Next to calculate AB matrix and AC matrix. What are the getting both the matrix? We are adding the corresponding elements. Finally, you have to prove LHS part is equal to RHS. Left of the question we will discuss about tomorrow. Everyone understood? Okay, thank you all.